Hello students, welcome to Mathematics of Class 5, Chapter 3, How Many Squares. Let's start a new chapter. So everyone open your textbook and take out the chapter 3.
These are the sides of the red square on the dotted sheets and draw here as many rectangle as possible using 12 such squares. So here you have to use a dot and make a square and using of 12 square and make a rectangle. Okay. So यहाँ पे हमें 12 squares बनाने हैं और 12 square को merge करके what will be make that is a rectangle, right? So here I made a different kind of rectangles with the help of 12 squares. Understood? So what is here? How many rectangles could you make? So whichever rectangle you make it, that number has to write. So here I made 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I write down here 4. Okay. So whichever rectangle you made, that number has to write it here. Okay. Yes. Okay, next one. Next one. See. Here, what is written here? Each rectangle is made out of 12 squares. So all have the same area. Okay. So here you can see here all the rectangles is made up of with the 12 square, right? So the area is the 12. How can you find the area is 12? Do you know about what is area? Yes. Do you know what is area? See. Can you see this inside? Yes, I am explaining what is an area, right? Let's see here. Can you see this figure, right? So this inside portion, the surface occupied by the closed figure, that is called the area. Then this is a rectangle and inside the figure is that is an area, right? And see this. Can you see this one outside line? That is called the boundary. Boundary means perimeter. Okay. So the outside the length of the boundary is called the perimeter. यानी बाउंड्री का जो लेंथ होता है उसे कहते हैं पेरीमीटर. और ये जो जो मिडल पार्ट है दैट इज द सरफेस ऑक्यूपाइड बाय अ शेप like a closed figure. Okay, closed figure means पता है ना? See, this is the closed figure, this is closed figure. Can you see this is the closed figure? No, this both are the open figure. So जो closed figure का जो surface होता है that measurement is called the area. Understood? Area and the boundary. Boundary means the perimeter. Okay. So we will learn also how to find the area and the perimeter. But are you clear the meaning of area and perimeter here? See, so what is given here? See, the 12 squares, all rectangle is having, the all rectangle is having a 12 square. Okay, so we can say that is the same area. Let's count it. How can we find it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means आप हर एक rectangle का area count करोगे. Area this means inside part. Okay, so that is a 12. So the area is a 12. But what is written here? But the length of the boundary will be different. यानी उसका जो boundary है यानी जो outer part है line है that is called the boundary, that will be the different, right? And that is called the perimeter. Okay, so length यहाँ पे आपको दिया है length of the boundary is called perimeter. So how can you find the perimeter? Perimeter कैसे find करोगे? So what to do? We have to count each side of the shape. Okay, so here the shape is given of 1 centimeter. We already measured na. The one each side is 1 centimeter. So let's count the perimeter. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. So what is the perimeter of this shape? That is a 26 centimeter, right? Okay, but let's count this one. Okay, so now you see here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Each side is 1 centimeter, that is a 4. Opposite also 4, that is 8, right? Then 9, 10, 11. Okay, then opposite also 3, so that is a 12, 13 and 14. The perimeter of this shape is 14 centimeter. Are you clear? So understood the meaning? This also will be 14. Okay. So now you also count this perimeter of this shape. Count it everyone. What is the perimeter of the shape? So understood? So this one is the 26 centimeter. This both are in the 14 centimeter and this one is the 16 centimeter. Okay. So the all the perimeter of the rectangle is different. Understood? But the area is the same because here we have used a 12 square. That means the area is same. हर एक में आप देखोगे तो स्क्वायर 12 ही है, एरिया सबका 12 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर है, बट द पेरीमीटर इज डिफरेंट. अंडरस्टूड दिस? सो व्हाट इज कॉल्ड द पेरीमीटर? The perimeter is the sum of the measure of all the sides of closed figure is called an perimeter. Sum of the measure of all sides of any closed figure is called a perimeter. यानी perimeter के लिए हमें जो sum means जो side है उसका total करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? Perimeter. And what is the area? Area means the measure of the amount of surface occupied by a closed figure is called an area. यानी जो surface closed figure का occupy होता है that is called an area. Understood? Okay, next question देखते हैं. Which of this rectangle has the longest perimeter? So as per our figure, like my figure, right? So which has the longest perimeter? So as per my figure, this rectangle has the longest perimeter, right? So how many? Is it 12 plus 24, 25, 26 centimeter. So I write the answer 26 centimeter. But if you have drawn something else figure in here, so you count that one and write the longest perimeter. I have written this answer as per my rectangle. Understood? Okay. Now next one. Which of this rectangle has the smallest perimeter? So we already counted all the rectangles perimeter. So which one has the smallest one? So this 2 is having the 14 centimeter, right? And this one is having 16 centimeter. This one is having 26 centimeter. So which one is the smallest perimeter? 14 centimeter. So I will write here the answer 14 centimeter as per my figure. So if you have drawn the different figures, you must count the perimeter of all the figures and then you write the longest and the smallest one. Understood? How to find the perimeter? Let's see the next one. Measure stems. Here the some stems are given on the square board, right? What is interesting here? Look at the interesting stems, right? Now let's see first one. How
Let's see the question 1. Look at this interesting stems. So how many squares of 1 centimeter side does stem A cover? So see here the stem A. So how many squares are there with stem A cover? So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 6 18. So square A covers 18 stems. Right students? Now n stem B. How many stem B covers? The square, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So stem B covers 8 squares. Understood? Now which stem has the biggest area? That means here stem A covers 18 square and stem B covers 8 square. That means the biggest area of a stem A. So we will write down here A. Now how many squares of side 1 centimeter does this stem cover? So how many sides here of square? That is 18 square which has side 1 centimeter. Okay. So stem A covers the biggest area and the side is 1 centimeter. His side is 1 centimeter. So that is how many squares are there? That is 18. Understood students?
okay. How much is the area of the biggest stem? That is a 18 square centimeter. Yes, okay. Centimeter. Okay. Now let's see the C one. Which two stems have the same area? Now let's find it out the area which oh so see we can say D and F is the same area but how? Let's count it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 squares are there the same way here 3, 6, 9 and 12. So both are having the same area. Okay. So what is our question? Which two stems have the same area? That is we write D and F. Okay. So yes, you can write stamp D and stamp F also. That is also correct. Okay. Now, how much is the area of each these stamps? What is the area? We just now counted now. What is the area? 12 square centimeter. Yeah, the area is yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. Okay, listen now. 12 square centimeter, we counted the square and we get the answer. but we can find with the formula also if the area is bigger. Okay, so how can you count it 1 2 3 1 by 1? Okay, so instead of we have to use the formula. So that is one formula to finding the area of rectangle. So what is the formula? Area of rectangle formula is L into B. L into B का मतलब क्या होता है? Length into breadth. Okay, see this. So what is that? Area of rectangle. Just now what we did, we counted and get the answer. Okay, but we can find with this formula also. So area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. Length means, see here, can we see this? This is the longer side is called the length and the shorter side we call the breadth. Breadth means width, right? So the longer side is, the longer side is 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so here the rectangle is the 4, and what is the breadth here? So that is 1 2 and 3. So 4 3s are, that is 12. So we can do like this way also. So whenever you have to find the area of rectangle, you can use this formula, length into breadth. Okay, so now here also, see, this is given the rectangle like this way. So what is the length here? 1 2 3 4. Longer side is the 4 and the shorter side, that is the breadth, 1 2 and 3. So that also come 12. So whenever you write 12, you must write after the unit is a square centimeter. Understood? So only you write 12, that is wrong, because area is always in square unit. Okay, so square centimeter, or it may be meter, or it may be in kilometer as per the distance. Understood? So what is the formula of area of rectangle? Length into breadth. L into B. L into B. Okay. Let's see here. The area of the smallest stamp is dash square centimeter. Which one is the smallest area? That one only E. What is that? E. Okay. Yes. What is the smallest area of the stamp is? That is E, right? Yes. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we count with the formula? The length is also 2 and the breadth is also 2. So 2 2s are 4. Okay? Yes. So where is the question? The area of the smallest stamp is 4 square centimeter. Okay. Let's see. So the difference between the area of the smallest and the biggest stamp is dash. अब हमें किसका एरिया फाइंड करना है? बिगेस्ट और स्मॉलेस्ट का. So we already found the area of the biggest one, that is 18, and the smallest one is the 4. So 18 minus 4 करेंगे, what answer should come? 18 minus 4 is a 14, right? Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes, the difference between the area of the smallest and the biggest stamp is 14 square centimeter. Are you clear? Understood this? What is next in the page number 36? Guess which has the bigger area, one of your footprints or the page of this book? Yes, bigger area. So think the footprints. आपके जो footprints होते हैं वो या तो आपकी बुक का पेज कौन सा bigger होता है? Obviously page. Yeah, page का area ज़्यादा होता है. Now which has a smaller area? Two 5 rupees note together or a 100 rupee note? So what will you say? अगर दो 5 rupees का note रखेंगे, see this one and this one is 100. Yes, just now the new notes available in the market of 100 rupees. So if we put two 5 rupees notes, so that area is bigger than 100 rupees, right? Okay, you don't have to write it. This is just has to guess it. Now next one. Look at the 10 rupee note. Is its area more than 100 square centimeter? क्या आपको लगता है कि 10 rupees note का area 100 square centimeter से ज़्यादा होगा? What do you say? Is it possible? No, the 10 rupees note, if you have seen the new notes of 10 rupees, right? So it's very smaller note, right? The length is very less. So it may not be possible. It's a more than 100 square centimeter, right? Okay, this is just discussion. Okay, next one.
See the question D. Is the area of the blue shape more than the area of the yellow shape? Why? So you can see here the yellow color figure and the blue color figure. Whose area is the bigger? So you can say here used a equilateral triangle. Okay, so the area of the blue and the yellow color shape are the same. Okay, understood? The way of the arranging the triangles are different, but the area of the yellow as well as the blue color shape are same. Okay. Okay, both the triangles are of the same shape. Now, is the perimeter of the yellow shape more than the perimeter of the blue shape? Why? So yellow shape perimeter is more than blue shape? No. So the blue shape perimeter is more than the yellow shape. Okay, so if you measured with the scale, so this blue color shape has the longest boundary than the yellow color. So you can measure with the scale and see the boundary of the yellow as well as the blue, and you can check the answer. So blue color has the boundary is longer than the yellow.